Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be doing a beauty review actually, using the brand new Redmi 15C that was released in September 2025. I actually shot the intro with the front-facing camera in 1080p. That is the only resolution that it shoots in. And if you are starting the content creation newly, you are coming in new, and all you have is a budget phone, just like the one I am using right now, I suggest you shoot or film in the highest resolution that the phone comes in. And as I said, front-facing camera was shot in 1080p. Right now you are viewing the back camera, one of the two cameras on the back camera, which is being shot also in 1080p. It doesn't shoot in 4K like my Redmi Note 12 Pro. Again, this is a budget friendly phone. Tell me what you think of the quality, if it is passable or if it is exceptional. I am also going to point out that I am filming at night and I had to bring in external lights to help light up the video. The brightness isn't the best. If you cannot afford to get external lights like the Pro LED 600 panel lights or even a ring light, you can shoot during the day using natural light. That works as well. But for now I am using external lights. So I am going to be reviewing one of the wigs that I got, 180% density black pixie cut wig, and I am going to be reviewing this using the phone. So let's get into this install. First, go in with my wig cap, then the wig. I want to just quickly brush it out, just make it presentable. The wig has been installed. This is what it looks like. Tell me what you think of the wig. Again, we are doing this review on the back facing camera in 1080p as well. I'm going to be taking some pictures using the selfie camera, which is 8 megapixels, and also the back facing camera, which comes in 50 megapixels as well. Now this particular device comes with two speakers, one located on the bottom of the phone while the other one is located, I do believe, on the side. It also comes with a side mounted fingerprint sensor, and this is me reviewing the sound quality of the device. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. Again, this is what the external mic sounds like, and this is what we have been filming with up until this point. If you cannot afford external mic, I suggest you film close to your device so that it can pick up the sound of the subject and less of your surrounding sounds, just like this. And I am using the zoom camera on the Redmi 15C. The reason why I'm creating this video right now is to actually show people that are interested in content creation but they feel like they don't have the device or the devices that are required to go into content creation. You can use anything around you. Some people have better phones than the phone that I am using right now. You can use that to start your content creation journey, just as long as your camera is not busted. You just need to pick up a few accessories, and if you cannot afford those accessories right now, there are ways you can finesse your content creation until you get to that point where you can afford the items. For example, I am using external lights. They cost a bit, but not too much. I want to talk about image stabilization. This phone has none whatsoever. We actually had tons of issues with regards to the stabilization when filming this, which we have never experienced before, and it is because, again, this has zero image stabilization. When filming with a device like this, I suggest you get a tripod, selfie stick, handheld gimbal. We are currently using a handheld gimbal, or you can use a table, chair, books, shoe, but anything at all around you that you can use to ensure that the phone doesn't shake when you are filming would be fine. Again, I am also going to be testing the sound quality of this phone. This phone comes with two speakers, and we are going to see how loud or how low it is. For slow motion and time lapse, this phone doesn't come with those features. So if you want to get those kind of effects, you have to use your editor, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, InShot, etc., etc., etc. And that's not a big deal because slow motion and time lapse does not make or break your content when it comes to content creations. We took some pictures with the device. On the screen right now, you are going to see pictures that we're taking with the front facing camera that comes in 8 megapixels. On the screen right now, you are seeing pictures that we are taking with the 50 megapixels of the back camera. My light source, as I said, is my Pro LED 600 panel light because I am currently shooting at night. Again, if you cannot afford light, you can shoot during the day from the hours of 7 to 10, 3 to 6, because this is when the sun is less harsh and it is also called the golden hour. I want to give a quick recap on accessories that are needed when shooting with a budget-friendly device, or ways to go around it if you cannot afford them just yet. Number one would be lighting. I am using external lights to shoot this video right now, but if you cannot afford it, again, opt for natural light. Number two would be sound. An external mic would be preferable when shooting with a device like this. I try my best to get an external mic for even my iPhone, and it has better sound quality than this. So external mics are highly recommended, but if you cannot afford external mics just yet, just shoot close to your device so that your mouth is not far away from your mic. Number three would be stabilization. This budget-friendly phone, zero stabilization, but if your own device comes with stabilization, then it's less hassle for you. You are still going to need a tripod because it's going to be extremely stressful for you to film with your hands up throughout the whole filming process. Basically, I also want to say that the battery capacity of this particular device is actually pretty impressive. It comes with a 6000 milliamp battery that lasts a long time, and it also comes with a 33-watt fast charger in the box. That's it for this video, guys. Tell me what you think about my second series of my beauty meets tech. This is something that I like doing when I get my hands on a new device. I like to see what it can produce when it comes to beauty content, which is what I specialize in. Tell me what you think about it in the comment. Like if you like it, if you share, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. It's time to give my mom back her phone. Love you and bye.